Yes, friends, in before class we have studied some more points. So, under the types of chemical reactions. So, once again, remember these points based on nature of reactants and products. We classify four types of chemical reactions. Chemical combination, chemical decomposition, chemical displacement, chemical double displacement or double decomposition. Double displacement are the four types of chemical reactions. Before class also understand chemical combination reaction. The reaction in which two or more substances or two or more reactants chemically combine to form single new substance or single new product. Reaction in which two or more reactants chemically combine to form single new product. This type of the reaction called chemical combination reaction. Some more examples they are identified in combination reaction. 2Mg plus O2, 2MgO, CaO plus CO2, CaCO3, 2Hg plus O2, 2H2 plus O2, 2H2O. So such one examples identified. But also identified exothermic reaction. Chemical combination also called as exothermic reaction. Reaction in which heat energy released called exothermic reaction. They are identified two major examples: combustion of natural gas, respiration, and decomposition of vegetative matter into compost. So they are given these three examples. One is burning of natural gas. Second one is breakdown glucose. Third one is decomposition of vegetative matter into compost. So these are more examples of identify ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Let us study some points here. The equation represents decomposition of glucose and later goes to chemical decomposition reaction. Okay, dear students, we know already here we respire because for living, not respire, not living, not stay on the earth. Respire means you are taking oxygen, your carbon dioxide. You're taking oxygen means glucose react with oxygen. ನಾವು ಫುಡ್ ಅಂತ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಫುಡ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆಗಿ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಸರಳ ರೂಪಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಡೈಜೆಷನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. The glucose breakdown, that means glucose react with the oxygen. Whenever we respire, glucose form of carbohydrate, simple carbohydrate. So glucose represented by form example of C6H12O6. Glucose is simple form of carbohydrates. At the time of digestion, all the complex food item break down into simplest particles, glucose. So ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫುಡ್ ಡೈಜೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆಗಿ ಸರಳ ರೂಪಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ರೂಪಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. At the time of respire, glucose react with oxygen, O2. Glucose react with oxygen. Then glucose break down. Glucose react with oxygen. Then glucose break down to form carbon dioxide, to form water, therefore to liberate energy. The balancing equation, 6 atoms of carbon, then 6 CO2, 12 atoms of hydrogen, then 6 H2O. Here 6 and here 2 8, but here 6 2s are 12 plus 6 18, and here represent 6 O2. 6 2s are 12 plus 6 18 oxygen atom. 6 2s are 12 plus 6 18 oxygen atom. This is the balanced chemical equation. This is also chemical equation represent aerobic respiration. It's a type of respiration. Aerobic respiration means a type of respiration with the help of the oxygen, glucose breakdown to release energy. More amount of energy along with the liberation of carbon dioxide. So, ನಮಗೆ full information ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ not necessary ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ. So, one of the example exothermic reaction ಆಗ ಈ example ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Breakdown glucose, burning of natural gas, decomposition of vegetative matter into compost. ಈ ಮೂರು examples ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Are the example of exothermic reaction. What we call exothermic reaction? Chemical reaction in which heat energy released. Okay, now first point we understand 3 examples of exothermic reaction. Now goes to another type of the chemical reaction. Decomposition reaction, chemical decomposition reaction. Chemical decomposition reaction is one type of chemical reaction. ವಿಭಜನ ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. First now define here. Let us go to different examples of decomposition reaction. That examples are identified by activity also. Okay. Now go to second point. Define chemical decomposition reaction. The concept of this one type of the chemical reaction. What we call decomposition reaction? Chemical reaction in which single substance break down into carbon substances. After different ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Single substance. Now substance called what? Reactant. Now substance called reactant ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Single substance break down into carbon substances. Single substance break down into carbon substances. Break down into carbon substances. This is the defined chemical decomposition reaction. Reaction in which single substance break down into carbon substances. A single reactant chemically decompose into carbon products. Single reactant chemically decompose into carbon products is called what? Chemical decomposition reaction. Students, there are 2 points to study. Understand. Examples of the exothermic reaction and second part define later chemical decomposition reaction. Now goes to next point. ಮುಂದಿನ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. Different examples given here. Now identify these examples. Decomposition reaction. One of the example of decomposition reaction here given. Now the familiar example here identified and also given, that is decomposition of calcium carbonate. One of the example of decomposition reaction. Decomposition of calcium carbonate. So formula of the calcium carbonate CaCO3. We know already in combination reaction CaO react with H2O, calcium oxide react with H2O to form calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide react with the CO2 to form the calcium carbonate along with water to form the calcium carbonate. So all identify model. In example ಕೊಡಿದಾಗ one of the example of the decomposition reaction, that is decomposition of calcium carbonate. Here now come to one of the information about the decomposition reaction. That one, decomposition reaction is also called thermal decomposition. Decomposition reaction also called what? Thermal decomposition. Thermal decomposition. Kita pura करेंगे thermal decomposition. Because this reaction carried by heating. This reaction carried by heating or by action of the heated light and also supply electric current. Decomposition reaction ಏನಿದೆ heating ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ light ಅನ್ನು ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ಲೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಆದಾಗ electric current ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ decomposition reaction ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Decomposed reaction carried by heating or action of heated light and supply electric current. Hence decomposition reaction called as thermal decomposition. This reaction carried by heating. So you will find that related decomposition reaction, that is called as thermal decomposition because carried by heating. Hence, so decomposition process or these reactions widely applied in industries for manufacturing purposes. This process applied in industries because manufacturing purposes. Okay. So this is one of the point related to decomposition reaction. Now to the example of thermal decomposition or example of decomposition reaction. One of the example decomposition of calcium carbonate. Whenever calcium carbonate heated, it is chemically decomposed to form two or more product. To form calcium oxide CaO along with water. CaO calcium carbonate. CaO calcium oxide along with the carbon dioxide. There are one atom of calcium, one atom of calcium, one atom of carbon, one atom of carbon, three atoms of oxygen, here 2 and here 1, three atoms of oxygen. This is the chemical equation represent decomposition of calcium carbonate. So what are the questions now arising here? What happens? Calcium carbonate heated. Calcium carbonate heated is chemically decomposed to form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. The answer is B. Okay, this is the first one example of decomposition reaction. First point, examples of exothermic reaction: burning of natural gas, breakdown glucose, decomposition of vegetative matter into compost. Second point, define decomposition reaction. Third point, decomposition reaction called thermal decomposition. Fourth point, examples of the decomposition reaction. This one example, decomposition of calcium carbonate or calcium carbonate intake. What happens? Calcium carbonate intake to form the calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Single reactant chemically decomposed to form into or more products. Okay. Now come to one of the information that are related to this equation. The basic information ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. Calcium oxide we know already, lime or quicklime ಸುಟ್ಟ ಸುಣ್ಣ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Calcium oxide, lime or quicklime ಇದನ್ನ ಸುಟ್ಟ ಸುಣ್ಣ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. So it is also used in industries, many industries for manufacturing purposes. One of its application is it is used in manufacture of cement. One of its application it is used in manufacture of cement. Manufacture of cement. Cement ತಯಾರಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Manufacture of cement. Quicklime, sorry. Lime or quicklime, calcium oxide used in various industries for manufacturing purposes. One of its application used for manufacture of cement. So that is some part related to quicklime CaO. Now totally we identified first one example of decomposition reaction. CaCO3 intake it break down into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Now this is the second example of the decomposition reaction. That's understood by simple activity or experiment also. One is one experiment activity ko tilkolthivi. Now comes to that activity. So with the help of the neat diagram also. Okay. Yes, students here studied some points. Decomposition reaction. Define also and also called thermal decomposition and identify examples. So first one example CaCO3 chemical breakdown. Second one example of the decomposition reaction. Second one example. Third one, we are given one of experiment or activity or diagram. Now write the diagram. By the diagram, easily understand examples of the decomposition reaction. That one diagram. Here take boiling tube. Now draw the diagram. Here take boiling tube. ಬಿಸಿ ಮಾಡಲು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸತಕ್ಕಂತ ಕೊಳವೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ವೇಸಲ್, ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್. Here take some amount of crystal, ferrous sulfate crystal. Here take some amount of FeSO4 crystal or ferrous sulfate crystal. Represented by formula FeSO4 ferrous sulfate. It is appear green color. Ferrous sulfate appear green color. Here take ferrous sulfate crystal in boiling test tube. So your label also that is called the boiling tube. Boiling tube. So it is old. With the help of the pair of the term. With the help of pair of term. Pair of term. So इधर represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. With the help of pair of term. ಇಕ್ಕಳದ ಸಹಾಯದಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. With the help of pair of term. Take some amount of or 2 gram or some amount of ferrous sulfate crystal in boiling test tube. It is poured with the help of the pair of the term. Third point, it is old. Kept over the flame of the candle. heated. It is heated with the help of flame or with the help of the burning candle. It is heated with the help of the candle. That is called the flame. So this is one of the experiment, one of the activity, one of the diagram. By the diagram, we are identified second example of decomposition reaction. That one, how to explain? Take some amount of copper, ferrous sulfate crystal in boiling test tube. Boiling test tube poured with the help of the pair of meter. It is boiling test tube or boiling tube is heated with the help of the candle, or it is heated by the flame of the candle. What happens? It is heated. What happens? It is heated. Here takes place chemical reaction. Chemical reaction means substance undergo change to form new substance. Substance undergo change to form new substance. Here, whenever it is heated, ferrous sulfate crystal heated, it is decomposed to form into more substances. What happens? Ferrous sulfate crystal heated. Likewise, calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate heated to form the calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Ferrous sulfate crystal heated to form two or more products. Which one product? Ferric oxide along with sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. So the second example of decomposition reaction. Break down ferrous sulfate crystal. Heated ferrous sulfate crystal. First example, break down calcium carbonate. Second example, heated or break down ferrous sulfate crystal. After example, what happens now? Calcium carbonate decomposes to form the calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Ferrous sulfate decomposes to form the ferric oxide along with the liberation of sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Represented this also by equation. What happens now? What happens? Ferrous sulfate heated, then takes place chemical reaction, then takes place decomposition reaction. What happens? Ferrous sulfate decomposes to form the ferric oxide along with sulfur dioxide, liberation of sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide. The represented chemical equation now comes to here. The chemical equation decomposition of ferrous sulfate crystal. Ferrous sulfate represented by formula FeSO4. It is heated. It is decomposed. Whenever heated, it is decomposed. Break down to form two or more products like ferric oxide, Fe2O3 along with liberation of sulfur trioxide and sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. So balancing equation, one atom of Fe, multi-product side, two atoms of Fe. And here represent two FeSO4, two atoms of iron, two atoms of sulfur, two atoms of sulfur. Here 4 2s and 8 atoms of oxygen. Here 3 plus 2 plus 3, 3 6 plus 2 8. So that is a balanced chemical equation. Mention the physical state. It is formed solid state. It is formed solid state. It is formed gaseous state. It is formed gaseous state. Fe2O3 called ferric oxide. It's called what? Ferric oxide. Called ferric oxide. Listen here. What happens? Ferrous sulfate heated. Ferrous sulfate heated. It breaks down. It decomposes to form ferric oxide along with the liberation of sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide gases. We are already understand that express chemical reaction. The observations we identified that express chemical changes. ಕೆಲವು ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆಗಳು ಗಮನಿಸ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ರಾಸಾಯನಿಕ ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. The which observation change in color, change in temperature, change in state evolution of gases, by these four observations identify that express chemical changes or chemical reaction. Here, whenever ferrous sulfate crystal heated, observe one of the observation. Change the green colored ferrous sulfate. Ferrous sulfate crystal ನ heat ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ green colored ferrous sulfate crystal ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬೆಳಕು ಕಲರ್ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay students, totally understand. Second example, break down ferrous sulfate to form chlorotoluene, ferric oxide along with gases like sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. First example, decomposition reaction, decomposition of calcium carbonate. Second example of decomposition reaction, decomposition of ferrous sulfate. Now goes to another example of the decomposition reaction by the same activity. Yes, one of the point now what is here, what pronoun. That one, combination reaction called exothermic reaction. Decomposition reaction called endothermic reaction. Now it is called as endothermic reaction. Decomposition reaction called as endothermic reaction. What is called endothermic reaction? The reaction in which heat energy absorbed. Heat energy released in exothermic reaction. Heat energy absorbed endothermic reaction. Okay, that is the difference, simple difference between the combination reaction and decomposition reaction. Chemical decomposition reaction called the thermal decomposition because this reaction carried by heating or by the action of heat and light and supply electric current. It is also called as an endothermic reaction because your heat energy absorbed. Okay, now let's do the third one example of the decomposition reaction. The third one example light. So ಯಾವ ಒಂದು examples identify ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. First one example CaCO3 break down CaO plus CO2. Third one example FeSO4 2FeSO4 break down to form Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. Third one example, that one understood by the activity. Here also take some amount of lead nitrate powder in boiling fluid. The same experiment, but here labeling is the change. Here take some amount of 2 gram of lead nitrate powder. That's now carbon lead nitrate. Lead nitrate powder. Take some amount of lead nitrate powder in boiling test tube, boiling tube. It is also cold. The boiling tube cold by pair of tongue. Now this is label pair of tongue. ఇక్కడ సహాయದಿಂದ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ pair of tongue. Take some amount of lead nitrate powder. It appears powder form. Lead nitrate powder in boiling tube. It is cooled by pair of the tongue. It is also heated. The flame of the candle. What happens when it is heated? Changes takes place. Chemical reaction takes place. ಆತರ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. What happens when it is heated ಅಂದಾಗ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. What happens when lead nitrate powder heated? Changes takes place. Chemical reaction takes place. If you don't want the chemical reaction takes place, chemical decomposition reaction takes place. Such types are mentioned. What happens? It is heated. Changes takes place. Chemical reaction takes place. Okay, now comes to here. Whenever heated, what happens? It is breakdown. It is decompose. Heating ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ decompose ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. CaCO3 calcium carbonate heated, it is breakdown, decompose. Ferrous sulfate breakdown, decompose. It is heated. Lead nitrate powder is heated, it breakdown into two or more substances like lead oxide along with liberation of nitrogen dioxide along with liberation of oxygen. What happens? Lead nitrate powder heated, takes place chemical change, chemical reaction How do we identify that takes place chemical change or chemical reaction? By observation. Which one observations now we are identifying? By the observation appear emission of brown fumes. Whenever lead nitrate powder heated, decompose, there appears the chemical change or reaction, emission of brown fumes. ಕಂದು ಬಣ್ಣದ ಹೊಗೆ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆಯಾಗುವುದನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಮಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಫ್ಯೂಮ್. ಕಂದು ಬಣ್ಣದ ಹೊಗೆ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆಯಾಗುವುದನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. So here, okay, emission of brown fumes, they are identified easily. They express decomposition reaction. What happens? Lead nitrate powder heated, it is heated, it is break down to form carbon substances. Carbon substances like dioxide, hydrogen dioxide, and also evolution of oxygen. That is represented by chemical equation. Lead nitrate PbNO3 twice. PbNO3 twice. Lead nitrate. So whenever heated, because this reaction carried by heating, lead nitrate heated, it is break down to form the product. One of the product, lead oxide. One of the product, lead oxide, PgO. Along with liberation of the gases, nitrogen dioxide, NO2, also liberation of oxygen. What happens when it decomposes? It decomposes to form one product, lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide, and oxygen. Mention physical state. It is found in solid state. It's found solid state. It's found gaseous state. It's found gaseous state. Now balancing the equation. Here, one atom of lead, one atom of lead. Here, two atoms of hydrogen. Here only one atom of nitrogen. Here 3 to the 6 atoms of oxygen. Here 2 to 4 plus 5 atoms of oxygen. It is unbalanced equation. Now balancing here. Here mentioned 2 PbNO3 twice. Here also mentioned 2 Pb. Then here in the bracket 2 atoms. Let's multiply by 2, 4 atoms of nitrogen. Here mention 4 atoms of nitrogen. Bracket ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಿದೆ NO3 nitrogen and oxygen atom. Let's multiply by 2 atoms of nitrogen. Multiply by 2, 4 atoms of nitrogen. 4 atoms of nitrogen is also one product side. Here 3 2s are 6 and 2 atoms of oxygen. Here 3 2s are 6 atoms. Then multiply by 2 atoms of oxygen. Here 2 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10 plus 2 12. That is the balanced chemical equation. ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಕ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay, let's start what? Balanced chemical equation. Let's start what? Chemical equation represent decomposition of lead nitrate powder. Rapid decomposition of lead nitrate powder. Its chemical decomposition form the product lead oxide along with the gases nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. There is a third one equation of decomposition reaction. First one equation CaCO3, burning of a decomposition of CaCO3. Second equation decomposition of ferrous sulfate crystal. Third one equation decomposition of lead nitrate powder. Fourth one example of the decomposition reaction. Now so we are given the fourth one example of decomposition reaction. That one line. You are given there are 5 or 6 examples. So many examples are identified, but make identify this example. CaCO3 breakdown to form CaO plus CO2. FeSO4 breakdown to form Fe2O3 ferric oxide plus CO2 plus SO2 plus SO3. Yeah, lead nitrate PbNO3 twice, 2 PbNO3 twice, breakdown to form lead oxide PbO plus SO hydrogen dioxide 4NO2 plus O2. Next one example here. 3 examples are identified. Good, fourth example, when the activity has to take some amount of silver chloride powder in China dish ಆತರ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. China dish. That's called China dish. China dish. Yeah, that's made by using the China white clay soil, such as China dish. Type of the measure, porcelain article. ఇంకా వస్తుందా కదండి. Common use in laboratory. That takes some amount of silver chloride powder. That is called the silver chloride powder. Silver chloride powder. Represented by formula AgCl. That is kept in the place where sunlight falls sufficiently. Surya ಬೆಳಕು sufficient ಆಗಿ ಬೀಳುವಂತ place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಡ್ತೀವಿ. Where sunlight falls sufficiently. Whenever sunlight falls sufficiently on these items, that means there is energy supplied. Your energy absorbed. So whenever energy absorbed, the substance become breakdown. Substance become breakdown into one more substances again, products again. Okay, what happens? Silver chloride powder intake. It is kept in the China dish. It is kept in the place sunlight falls sufficiently. Temperature takes place. It is chemically decomposed to form into one more product. One more product like concepts that are present in the equation. So salvage ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So silver bromide, so silver chloride, whenever heated, it breaks down to form one more product. This heated, it breaks down to form one more product. One more product line represented in the chemical equation. Silver chloride AgCl. It is heated. AgCl. It is heated. So here appear takes place chemical changes by the observation. It is white powder changes into grey color. It is a white powder. Whenever heated, it is decomposed, changes into color, grey color, because takes place chemical reaction or chemical change. It's breakdown to form carbon product like silver and chlorine. So the present silver and chlorine, that balance equation also 2AgCl, 2Ag plus Cl2. So it's found in solid state. It's found in solid chloride, chlorine to form gaseous state. So this is one of the equation of decomposition reaction. 2AgCl breakdown into 2Ag plus Cl2. 2Ag plus Cl2. Likewise, the same ones. Here take some amount of silver bromide powder. It also heated to form. It also heated to form again silver and bromine. So Br2. So athare represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So these are some examples of the decomposition reaction. Once again remember, decomposition reaction is a type of chemical reaction. Single reactant chemically decomposed into two or more product. This reaction carried by the heating acid is called thermal decomposition. In this reaction, heat energy absorbed and it is called endothermic reaction. Different examples. It's widely applied. This reaction is widely applied in various industries for manufacturing process. Some example: CaCO3 breakdown, CaO plus CO2. Ferrous sulfate, FeSO4 breakdown, ferric oxide plus SO2 plus SO3. Lead nitrate breakdown to form lead oxide and nitrogen dioxide, liberation of oxygen. And silver chloride powder breakdown to form the silver and chlorine. Silver bromide powder breakdown to form silver and bromine. These are the different examples of decomposition reaction. Okay, students, you have studied all these points, learned some more points. Next class. Okay, 40 minutes I thought.